Join us on a challenging long-haul flight as I travel from Australia to India. What are the essentials to pack to and from while traveling with a kid? Welcome to Nashath's Aussie lifestyle. When it comes to packing for long haul flights, being well prepared is key to ensuring a comfortable journey. Check-in procedure differs from each airlines. Some have self-check-ins like as you see it. I am traveling to India via Singapore and I do not need to collect my baggages in transit. Some might require to be claimed and rechecked in. Know all these details when you book with the airlines. I have some time left before body and hand luggage screening. What a beautiful painting! Just can't take my eyes off. Just like a photograph, every fine details shine. Before going for the screening test, empty your water bottle. But I took cough syrup, which was under 100 ml. Once I carried 250 grams of moisturizer and it was dumped. Travel sizes are allowed. Our flight arrives 20 minutes of delay, and after the boarding procedure and the clearance, it got another 30 minutes delay. While booking tickets, give a good amount of transit time. Take a deep breath, sit back, relax, and let's talk about the essentials need to be packed. Topmost essential items you need are travel pillow, noise cancelling headphones, portable power bank, travel sized toiletries, travel blanket, earplugs, travel wallet, medicines, reusable water bottle, compression bag or an organizer bag, snacks, and some toys and to carry electric converters and adapters. Airlines had the charging point. They did provide pillow, plugs, and the blanket. My toiletry bag contains lip balm, moisturizer, toothpaste, toothbrush, hand wash, soap, face wash, sanitizer, napkins, liners, pocket-sized tissues. Sure, they are travel-sized, otherwise I have spare clothes, socks, inners, towels for me and my son, and I have a separate nightwears in a different organizing bag which to be grabbed when I reach. Do carry eye mask, axe oil, balms, etc. If you are prone to air sickness, then carry the bag and medicine as well. I prayed Doher and Asr. It's time for food. I had salad, bread and butter, boiled veggies, and rice with not much of gravy was disappointing. Ended with French vanilla ice. Since we already had food at home, we couldn't complete the main dish. Long haul flights have videos to watch, movies, serials, cartoons, etc. My kid was so happy as he got to watch the entire time till Singapore. First thing to do when you reach the transit destination is to check the boarding gates and the terminal. In my case, I had to go to Terminal 1. As my baggages will be transferred, I had to do wudu and pray because it's very few minutes are left for the Maghrib. Always keep your mobile in world clock timing so it shows the right time as you reach different time zones. Since our flight was delayed, I have very less time to do shopping and sightseeing. Thanks to the train station, it made our life so easy to change the terminal. Every 5 minutes or so, you have trains to catch, and I'm going to the D gate. I'm in Wudu and I have to do Isha before boarding, and our stomachs are grumbling for food. Since I packed snacks and food, I don't have the tension to go for food court and stand in queues during the nick of the boarding time. He had his dinner and I will eat the in-flight meal. I have done with my prayers and we have boarded the flight. Let's go to Trichy. What do you buy for your family? This time I'm getting cheese and variety of crackers, biscuits for a small evening tea. Do check out my high tea video as well. And I have got some comment below which you have got some unique things apart from chocolates for your family. About travel wallet essentials, take your passport, old, new, take your visa copies or the resident return copies or your citizenship cards for each and every members or your ticket copies. Or you can show in the mobile, convert the currencies, take your international debit cards and save them all in a nice travel wallet, which is very handy and easy to use. Here I pack some biscuits, wafers, rice thins, some banana chips in the Ziploc bags, and I'm also taking a Lebanese cheese salami bread for my son. I warmed in the air fryer and wrapped in the aluminum foil. Then I stored in the hot bag. Our connecting flight was away from the dinner time, and I can't walk to this end at that end and rush towards the boarding. In fact, my son ate the bread and he slept. I had to eat the meal of both of us because the portion was very less. The air hostess was stunned when I refused the blankets. I had to announce we are from Australia and it's hot. Alhamdulillah, we have reached our destination and it's so good to see the new terminal open. After a good time with my family, I am traveling back to Perth and the airport display says flight cancelled. Next 1 hour was on mobile communicating why we haven't received any details about cancellation, and the Singapore Airlines desk handled our call and rebooked my flights after 3 days. Well, what? We had to redo our food items to be taken. This time we are really flying and we have reached Singapore. It's a morning time. I have packed idli and tomato chutney for. Just when the boarding call was made, I realized we will be sitting 3 seats apart and it couldn't be changed. It was booked a Muslim meal, but they didn't have it and they gave a vegetarian. Same way, we didn't eat the main but had the salad, veggies, cheese, bread and butter, cream biscuit and all ice that cream. Glitters are not gold, people. We managed the last leg of our travel by watching movies and sleeping. Australia is very strict about the biosecurity and food quarantine department. This time I took murukku, sweets and masi fish. I know the drill. I have declared it and I was asked to walk through the red line. Quarantine department never relaxes and this time we were sniffed by a detection dog. Truthful, you will be out at the earliest. We'll post another vlog. Subscribe and thanks for watching.